Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of WTI Crude Oil Futures in different time frames. Well, the WTI Crude Oil bulls looked too anxious after a strong upward move on the last trading session of the week. But now, the sudden steep upward move of WTI Crude Oil Futures has enhanced suspicion among the traders a lot. They look to be in drama to go long or be on the sideline. Some of my subscribers raised this question that is it worthwhile to go long in WTI Crude Oil Futures from the current levels? So, for taking a decision, let us define our strict stop loss and target levels while deciding to take an entry at this point. I find that after taking a steep upward move, WTI Crude Oil Futures look ready to face some resistance at the level of $61.30, where the 200 days moving average in a daily time frame may provide some resistance here, but I find that the recent reports defining China's promise to end the trade dispute, which looks too promising to attract more bulls above the level of $60. No doubt that the WTI Crude Oil Futures will witness enhanced volatility, but overall trend looks continue to remain bullish, as here you can see that the WTI Crude Oil Futures have been constantly maintaining an uptrend since December 26, 2018 till the closing session of the previous week. So here you can see that in a daily chart, this formation looks too promising to keep this uptrend intact, and no doubt that we may find a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week above the level of $61.30. In case if we find a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week, we will see the WTI Crude Oil Futures to move towards the immediate resistance at the level of $63.70, where a sustainable move will bring some more upward moves in WTI Crude Oil Futures due to short covering rallies above the 200 days moving average. No doubt that the WTI Crude Oil Futures will continue to face volatility amid this zone from the levels of $63.70 to $61.61, but I find that a sustainable move amid this zone in a daily chart in WTI Crude Oil Futures will encourage crude bulls to move more upward from these levels for their target at the level of $66.66. No doubt that the WTI Crude Oil Futures may try to touch this topmost uptrend line, which is currently at the level of $67.67, where the WTI Crude Oil Futures will find their next resistance. So friends, I would like to go long from the current level if the WTI Crude Oil Futures find a downward move back up to the level of $58, which will provide a good opportunity to good bulls to go long. Now let us see this chart in a 4-hour time frame. Here you can see that in case of a downward move in WTI Crude Oil Futures from the current levels, the WTI Crude Oil Futures will find strong support at the level of $57.57, where the 200 days moving average will provide strong support to crude bulls. So in a 4-hour chart, we can see that after taking a strong support at 200 DMA, WTI Crude Oil Futures were maintaining a good uptrend amid the lowest uptrend zone, which is currently from the levels of $58.58 to $61.57. So friends, let us have a look at the current position of moving averages. So here I would like to show you the current position of moving averages in a 4-hour chart. Here you can see that the 20 days exponential moving average has crossed the 20 days moving average, and currently the rate is well above the moving averages. I find that the formation of this candle will result in a gap up opening on the first trading session of the week. On the other hand, 50 days exponential moving average will provide a good support to WTI Crude Oil Futures in case of a downward move which is currently at the level of $59.40, from where a gap down opening will find a good support, and we will see that WTI Crude Oil Futures to take a sharp upward moves from the current levels. So here I have defined my three expected zones. This is my consolidation zone where we may see opening at the same level on the first trading session of the week. This will be my gap down opening in case we find a gap down opening amid this zone at the level of $58.58. No doubt that we will find strong buying from the levels of $58. WTI Crude Oil Futures will bounce back from these levels and will move towards the level of $62 once again, and no doubt that if we find a gap up opening at the level of $61.61, we'll see the WTI Crude Oil Futures to move more upward, where they will try to take sharp upward move up to the level of $64.64. No doubt that the WTI Crude Oil Futures will have to cross this immediate resistance at the level of $63.64 before proceeding further, but this opening levels will encourage crude bulls to remain above this uptrend line for maintaining an uptrend amid this zone. So I find that after a gap up opening, the WTI Crude Oil Futures will try to maintain amid this second uptrend zone, and this will result in a sharp upward move where the WTI Crude Oil Futures will try to come above this uptrend line to enter in this uptrend zone above the level of $65. So friends, no doubt that the WTI Crude Oil Futures may try to break the levels of $65 during the upcoming week. Friends, be ready to see an action in WTI Crude Oil Futures during the upcoming week. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video. Thank you.